Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time watching my video, my name is Kemi from Lagos, Nigeria. Guys, thank you for your massive support. I'm so grateful for everything. Please guys, I still need more of your support. Please don't forget to watch my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button to get notified whenever I drop interesting videos. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Material used for today's tutorial is going to be this fabric here. This is Ankara fabric, African print fabric, multiple colors. So we have the chain, that is our chain over there, and also we're gonna be using magnets. Like we'll be using gold accessories, magnets, and also eyelets. That is eyelets here. This is eyelets here. So guys, we'll be making use of leather board, which is our chipboard, and we'll be making use of the second leather board, which is so guys, this is what I'll be working on. This is like I'm making two of this, so I'm almost through with this. So just basically what I'll be doing, guys. So right now I'll be going to the main part, which is this is the pattern, and also this serve as what we, so the width of the pattern is 10 inches for the width, and for the body, the first body, we have 7 inches, while the upper base it is 2.5 inches. Then the other body over there we have 7 inches. So guys, for us to get this the pattern, we need to make use of this, and for us to get this, you just have to place it on the normal way that you've measured it. So the measurement is 1.5 inch, so you're going to take 1.5 inch all over. So guys, now the main body, this one we're doing now is just the first body, the upper base, and the down part, the back body. So now we're going to use that other, yes, we're going to use this one. This is how it looks. Can you see it guys? This is how the shape of what we want to do will look like. So now the next thing is to take the back. Yes, that is it. So that is going to bring the front cover. When I'm doing it guys, you understand better. That is the this is our gusset, the two gusset and the bottom. So the bottom measurement is 9 for the length. Normally it's supposed to be 10, but we removed half, so it makes it 9 inches. So when you remove half, it will be 9 inches. Then the width is 4. We're making use of 4 for the width. So the gusset, the side gusset, is just going to be 4 by 7. The length is 7, while the gusset, the width is 4. Guys, the next thing I'm gonna be doing right now is to show you the leather I'll be working with. So this is my leather, the black leather. This is a synthetic, quality synthetic leather that looks very nice on your bag. Guys, that is the frame. So it's I'm gonna be wrapping that with leather, and that is the other parts that I'm going to be wrapping with the African print fabric. So I'll just apply the gum, which I've done already, then fold them together. While folding, you need to be careful so you don't overdraw the fabric. Guys, look at the African print already wrapped. The wrapping. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is to also wrap the frame, the one that is going to be on top of it. The leather is wrapped. Wrap them together with the leather board. You don't need too much now allowance, gonna be just a little bit together, and I'll maybe 0.6 inches or half inch should be enough for the wrapping, the folding inside. So this is going to be the front cover. It's going to be the front cover. So like you all know that the measurement is 10 by 7 inches. So guys, I'm going to be using this to just to how do I put it now, to explain how I got the measurement for the corset. So the measurement for the bottom, I'm going to be starting from the bottom. Now the measurement for the bottom is 10 inches. Now what I'm gonna do is, for us to get our bottom measurement, the bottom is 10 inches. I have to reduce, I have to take out ½ inch from the left side and ½ inch from the right side. So ½ inch here and ½ inch here. So when I remove ½ inch and ½ inch from here, the measurement remaining, it will be 10 inches. So this is the bottom. I'm about to wrap them together. So when you take the measurement of this, you see that it is 9 inches. It is 9 inches. So for us to get this, this is the corset here. For us to get our corset, you just have to take your measurement from here to this place. So the measurement is 7 inches. Our measurement for the for the side is, the corset is 7 inches. So that is it here. This is 7 inches. Note, I don't want my bag to be too flat. I don't want it to be too big. I don't want, I mean the wideness. So I am making use of 4 inches. So if I'm using 4 inches wide for the corset, I have to use 4 inches wide for the bottom. So everything has to be it has to be the same measurements for the width, for the wideness of the bag. Guys, I'm gonna be wrapping this. To achieve the shape of what we want. The measurement is 0.5, so the length and the width will be 0.5 by 0.5. So that is a 0.5. So same thing, it's gonna be measured to the other side, 0.5 by 0.5. So I'm just gonna be doing this to the both what is it called now, I'm gonna be doing this together with the other corset. So I'm just gonna be cutting that, So this is the shape of it. That is the shape. So guys, I'm gonna be wrapping everything now. Now we've wrapped it inside, so now I'm gonna be stitching that round, well folded. This is my velvet that I'll be laying, that is, it will be the inner layer for the bag. So basically what you do is, just use the pattern to draw out, um, draw it out, then fold it. Now it is stitched. I'm done stitching it. You guys see how beautiful and lovely it looks and very neat. This is the pocket. The measurement for the pocket is 10 inches length and the width is 6.5. So basically what I did was to I folded it inside. I folded few inch inside, and then the measurement for, I just have to take, you have to look at the measurement of your velvet, then make sure that your pocket is at the center of it and it's straight. That is a velvet. I folded that alone without no board. Guys, this is it. It's been stitched, neatly done, and looking very beautiful. So that's the pockets. You can put anything in the pocket of the bag. Guys, we're making use of magnets, like you all know, and the measurement for it is 1 inch up, 1 inch down. That's the measurement for the magnet. Same thing is going to be done in the other side. So it's gonna be 1 inch, 1 inch for the length and the width of where we have a magnet. And don't forget, after using your magnet, you use a light hammer to hit the bit so it can stay permanently, so it doesn't get removed. Now I want to apply gum to the board. That's the outer layer of my bag. Then after I apply the gum, wait for it to get dry a bit, then I'm just gonna be applying or putting my velvet on heat. Now I am laying my velvet inner layer on the outer layer of my bag. I'm through with the gumming. I added the clip because I want the gum to, I just want the gum to stay, to stay. That is why I am using the clip. Now I'm done stitching the flap. That is the front flap. I'm done stitching it. The next thing I'm gonna be doing now is to do my eyelets, and for me to be able to get the middle and all that, for me to be able to calculate it well, I have to fold the flap, the upper base and the other back. I have to fold them together. I need to fold it into two, use my clip to hold it, and take 1 inch measurement out. Then after taking 1 inch measurement out, create a hole. After creating the hole, put my eyelets. After putting my eyelets, then I will take another measurement. So the measurement is 1 inch, 1 inch. That is my puncher. I'm just gonna use my hammer to punch it so it can give me a hole. So this is the hole. I'm just I'll be doing that, doing same thing on the other side. Then after that, I'll be taking another measurement. Before taking the second measurement, I have to put my eyelets, which I've done already. Now I'll be taking the measurement. The reason is because I want the measurement to be accurate, and I don't want the space to be too much. The gap between the first eyelets and the second eyelets, I don't want it to be too much. That is used to close the mouth of the eyelet. This is my machine. It's a pressing button machine. I'll be using that to press the eyelets together. Now I'm taking the second measurement, which is 1 inch. I'll be taking 1 inch, the first and the second sides, the both sides will be 1 inch. One inch. Done with the eyelet, so it's looking nice already, almost through the bag, getting to the closing parts. Now what I'm going to do is to stitch the bottom and the gusset together. When you're putting your velvet, please don't make sure you don't let the velvet get to the tip of to the tip of your material, like the bottom aspect, the gusset, the side part. Make sure that your velvet is not at the tip of the leather. And also your bag, so that the main reason I'm saying this is so that when you stitch them together, your velvet is not showing. After you might have finished stitching, your velvet will not be showing outside. Guys, I'm through with stitching. Can you see that there is no velvet coming out from where I stitch? It's really looking nice and beautiful. Don't forget to stitch the upper base of your the side of your corset. This is the cover, the down cover part. I don't know what to call the name. The down upper. You just have to stitch it. I've stitched it now, neat and straight. Time to start, you know, putting my corset together to fold. I mean, this is the time. This is the finishing aspect. Guys, you need to watch this carefully so you can know how you're gonna be folding your corset to the main bag, the main body. So that's the front part. I folded the gorsets to it, so I'm just gonna be stitching them with my cylinder bed machine. I'll be stitching them together. I'm using my clip to hold it so that I don't sew out of place. Don't mind me, the leather is a bit thick. I mean, very very thick. So the leather is kind of giving me a tough time for me to fold. Guys, take your time to fold it well before you stitch it so it doesn't stress you out. um I'm through putting clip on both sides of the bag. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is to stitch my bags together, is to stitch everything together. But before then I need to make my magnet. So that is the magnet for the down part. I need to make a hole first, make a mark on the leather, then after I'll just make the hole and put my magnet. Right now it's time for stitching. So I'm making use of my cylinder bed machine to stitch the gusset, and what I'm doing right now is applying machine oil to the leather so it can go freely. I'm through with the first part of the sewing. Now I'll be attaching that to the main body that carries the flap, the upper base and the back. So I will just have to fold that together and use my clip to hold it. The leather is a bit strong, in fact very very strong, so it's giving me a lot of headache, and it's a very very nice synthetic leather. I'm almost through with the folding part. guys, the next thing is to stitch everything round. Thank you guys for watching my video. You are the best, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. And also guys, don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you very much guys. I love you.